This tutorial is on knit two together. This is a very common decrease where you take 2 stitches and knit them into one. So here we have our first 2 stitches. We are going to go into them as if they're 1 stitch and knit them together. So we've decreased our stitch count by 1. We just put our needle into the stitches as if they're 1 and knit them together. This is a right-leaning decrease, which is often paired with its sister decrease that's slip, slip, knit, and leans to the left. Most patterns will tell you which decrease they want you to use, a knit two together or a slip, slip, knit being the most common decreases. And this is definitely the simplest. You're just knitting 2 stitches together as if they're 1, decreasing your stitch count by 1. We're just going to finish up our row here, purl down the back side so that we can take a look at the front. You can see that these stitches are pretty invisible. You can not tell very easily where they come together. But as you look at these 2 rows here, you can see you've got 2 rows joined into one at the knit 2 together. And it's a slightly right-leaning decrease, pretty invisible and pretty easy. And that's knit 2 together.